I gotta say, I wasn't expecting it. This has got to be the corniest logo I've ever seen on a grinder. You would expect this to be pretty garbage, and let me tell you, it is not. It feels so smooth, easy to remove. Everything just looks well machined. There's no little metal shavings anywhere. Again, I'm going to say it again. This is one of the smoothest grinders I've ever used. Pulling this off, I can keep it off. Pulling this part off, very simple. This is where all of the stuff is going to lie, right? You got a very nice metal filter, and you can kind of see the bottom right here. The other thing that I noticed is this is screwed in, but just a single little like it locks in right there, and then that opens it. It's a very simple opening mechanism, and that's where the tiny stuff is going to go, right? Obviously it comes with one of these things. They all do. But very simple design. Curved edges here on the side. The metal filter looks very well made and is actually tensioned on there pretty tight. So even when I put a little bit of force on it, it's not moving at all. Installing it, putting it all back together takes absolutely no time at all. It's very well machined. The grips are really easy to grip on with your fingers, you know. The only thing I dislike, and this is a stupid gripe, but this is just so corny. Kozo grinders, I don't know what it is. It makes me think bozo grinders, but you know what? You're not a bozo if you buy this. I gotta say though, this is kind of funny. In the packaging, it came with one of these. I assume this is meant to be like an airtight bag, but it's basically just like a plastic. It's just a little plastic bag with their logo on it. So this isn't really, I don't know. If you needed this, it comes with it. It also comes with a little Bozo Grinders sticker. So very fun. But again, the product is like surprising. Just the logo is kind of funny. So yes, I totally recommend it. I think if you're looking for an inexpensive grinder, this is the way to go. If you're looking for a very well-made grinder, this is the way to go.